Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to move crypto from Coinbase to Decent Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, securing your assets in a hardware wallet like Decent is a smart move for better protection against hacks. Let's dive right in. First things first, why do this? Coinbase is great for buying and holding crypto, but Decent offers offline storage, keeping your funds safer from online threats. Before we start, make sure you have both accounts set up. You'll need the Decent Wallet app or hardware device ready to go. Step 1. Open your Decent Wallet. If you're new, download the app from the official website and follow the setup prompts. This includes creating a PIN and backing up your seed phrase. Don't skip that, it's your safety net. Step 2. Generate a receive address. In the Decent app, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and tap on Receive. This will show you a unique wallet address. Copy it carefully. Step 3. Log into your Coinbase account on the web or app. Head to your portfolio, select the crypto you wish to send, and click on Send or Withdraw. Step 4. Enter the Decent Wallet address in the To field. Double-check this address. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Set the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to updates in blockchain tech. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Coinbase will ask for a two-factor authentication code. Enter it to proceed. Once submitted, the transfer will process on the blockchain, which could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Finally, Step 6. Verify in your Decent Wallet. Open the app and check your balance. It should update shortly. Congrats, you've just boosted your crypto security. Remember, always stay vigilant with your private keys and updates. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.